Every habit you have starts in the prefrontal cortex. That's the part of your brain doing conscious work, deciding, forcing, planning, burning energy. But no habit lives there forever. With repetition, control gets handed off to the basal ganglia, where behaviors run automatically, quietly, and cheaply. That handoff is the biological backdoor to success. The problem is what comes before it. Before automation, you have to survive what's called the plateau of latent potential. We expect effort to produce visible progress in a straight line. That's not how brains work. Early effort gets stored. Neural connections strengthen in the background. It's like pushing value-add code every day, but nothing ships until enough commits stack up. Then suddenly, results appear. Most people quit right before that threshold. To get through the plateau, you can't rely on willpower. Willpower lives in the prefrontal cortex, and it's a finite battery. Instead, you rely on lesson 4, environment as the invisible hand. In 2026, your environment isn't just your desk, it's your digital ecology. Notifications, feeds, defaults, and friction shape behavior more than motivation ever will. This is digital environment priming. Most people wake up and let notifications decide what their brain cares about. Flip that. Use focus modes tied to your calendar to filter Slack and LinkedIn automatically. Put your phone in another room. Open one app full screen, your IDE or your writing doc. When distraction is physically expensive, focus becomes the path of least resistance. You're not trying to focus. You designed a system where focus is easier than drifting. But how do you start when the task feels massive? The blocker isn't laziness, it's high activation energy. So you engineer an on-ramp. Define what done means in one sentence. Pick a checkpoint that's 1 to 3 hours away. Decide the next physical action, something you can do in under 2 minutes. Then run a 10-minute ignition sprint. You're allowed to stop. The goal is starting. Repeat that process, and starting becomes automatic. Then the basal ganglia takes over. Consistency follows automation, not motivation.